Hello everybody, nice to meet you all. This is my native community tank which contains these checkerboard bulbs. As you can see in the video, I have licorice kurami. They are currently in white color phase, or I call them leucistic phase. They are still developing colors. I have Gambosia affinis. I have Batis as well. He rarely comes out, as you can see in the video. I have these native fishes. I'll update you once I get a new species in my town. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel as well. See you on the next one.